Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a page that doesn't show up in your Wix website menu. This is incredibly useful when you want to keep certain pages accessible through direct links like special landing pages or private content without cluttering your main navigation. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. To begin, head over to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. Look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with several options. From here, click on Website to proceed to your site settings. Now you'll be able to see the website settings page displayed in front of you. Take a moment to make sure this is actually the website you want to work with, especially if you manage multiple sites. Confirming this now saves you from making changes to the wrong project later. From this page, locate the Design Site button. You'll typically find it on the top part of your screen, usually right beside a pen icon. This button is your gateway to the actual website editor where you can make visual and structural changes to your site. Go ahead and click on it. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where the magic happens and where you have full control over your site's design and layout. Once you're in the editor, look over to the left navigation panel and locate the Pages and Menu settings. Click on it to access your site's page structure. The menu will expand, revealing all the options related to your site's pages and navigation. Under the Site Menu section, look for the specific page you wish to hide from your menu. For this example, if you look at the menu on the top right part of your screen, you'll see pages listed as Home, About, and Programs. Let's say you want to hide the Programs page. Hover your mouse over the Programs page in the Pages and Menu panel. You'll notice a three-dot icon appear. Click on those three dots and a small window will pop up showing you more actions you can take with this page. From this window, select Hide from Menu. As soon as you do this, you'll see the Programs page disappear from your main menu on the top right of your screen. The page still exists on your site and can be accessed through a direct link, but it won't clutter your navigation bar anymore. And that's it. You've successfully hidden a page from your Wix website menu while keeping it active and accessible. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.